Hi, it's LaShonda again from the Age Zone. And I wanted to come to you because it's come to my attention as the year is winding down. We're almost in the middle of December, and people are talking about the holidays, and they're also talking about, oh my gosh, the year is ending, and they've got goals and things that they want to accomplish in 2019. But I'm hearing a lot of people talk about, I don't want to set resolutions, I don't want to set goals because they never seem to get accomplished. And I realized that there's some key pieces missing from the information that you guys are receiving out there, sort of in the world. And I wanted to fill in the blanks, right? There's five major things that I feel like is missing from the information out there is why people aren't achieving their goals, why you're not achieving your resolutions, whatever you want to call them, but the things that you want in your life, why they're not coming to you. And so I've decided to do a workshop for that specific reason, to show you the five reasons why you're not accomplishing your goals or resolutions or whatever you're calling them for 2019, right? So why that's not happening for you and how to fix them. So it's a two-parter. It's not just here are the five things that are holding you back from getting your resolutions, but I'm going to show you how to fix them. I'm going to show you the how to in this workshop. So we're going to talk about what the things are. We're going to talk about how to fix them. I'm going to show you how to fix them in this workshop, as well as give you some more support, right? Because a lot of times you're in a workshop, you're kind of writing things down, you're getting all the information, and you're like, okay, I'm good. And then a day later you review and you're like, wait, I've got a question. Oh, wait, something's not making sense. And specifically with goals, it's really important that you have them in a certain format and that they fit who you are and that they're in alignment with who you are. So not only am I offering a workshop that's going to show you how to do it the right way so that you have success in 2019 and that you write the right ones, but I'm also going to give you a session with me where we can work together and I can personally talk to you about what's going on with you, how to set the right goals for you. And we're going to do that in our one-on-one session. So it's a two-parter here. So I'm offering the workshop, which is going to teach you about how to do it, the format, how the goals or resolutions should be written, all of that kind of stuff that fit for you. And then we're going to have a personal session and we're going to hash this all out. So who is this for? This is for a person who's saying, look, in 2019, I'm tired of saying every year I'm going to get things accomplished and not have them accomplished. Something's holding me back. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know why I keep writing the same goals. I'm tired of it. I just want to give up. If you're saying any of those things, then this workshop and this session is for you, because I'm going to show you how you can get success with this. This is not, like I said, it's a workshop and one session with me. This isn't a long drawn out program, but I'm going to give you what you need because there's key pieces missing out there. People are talking about SMART goals and all that. Well, that's just a piece of it when it comes to accomplishing a goal. It's not even the full formula of the SMART process that people are telling you about. So I want to fill you in and I want to fill you in the blanks. I've been doing this for over 20 years with my clients. And giving them what we call treatment plans in the business. But what a treatment plan is goals and helping them to accomplish their goals. I've been doing it for over 20 years. It comes to me very naturally and easily. So let me show you what I've learned over the years. Let me share my experience with you in my professional life and in my personal life, how I've been able to accomplish the things that I set out to do every year. Because there's a system to it. There's a way that you need to look at yourself. There's other things and other pieces that you need to put in place. So if you really want to get some things done in 2019 and you want to have things that truly fit you, then I invite you to sign up for this workshop and the free session with me. You really will have an amazing, amazing success with this. Because you need these other tools that have been missing out there that have not been told to you. Unfortunately, people are just kind of giving you the overview. And to really accomplish the goals, you need the specific details in there. So definitely sign up. If you're interested, if you've got questions about how do I do this, if this is the right fit for me, send me an email and we can have a quick conversation to see if this is a good fit. But if you're tired of not getting what you want, if you're tired of setting those goals or resolutions, and by the end of January or February, you feel like, I stopped, I'm not getting them done. Why is this not working for me? Why is it other people can do these things and I can't? Then this is the workshop for you. Like I said, you've got any questions, message me and I'll be more than happy to answer them. But seriously, we're going to do this in December. And I'm even going to offer the workshop twice. And it's going to be recorded. So if you can't make it live, you'll get the information recorded. And then you will still have that session with me where we'll work one-on-one personally to make sure that you have the right goals and you know what you need to accomplish what you want in 2019. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal, phenomenal December. Hope you have a great holiday. And if I don't see you in the workshop, then by all means, I'll see you next year. Take care. Bye.